Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to learn here, it's a bird. This is for the month of September. Now here we are going to do a angry bird. The shape which I am drawing here is a triangle. You can see it's not a sharp edges, it's a curve, right? It's a curved triangle. So here for the bird I am drawing a tail and I drawed a hair. And now I am going to draw a eyes for the angry bird. Can you see? Yes, I used everything with a simple basic shape. Here I am drawing a beak even using with the basic shape. It's nice, right? We'll start coloring this. You should remember, you should use always a basic shapes while you're drawing. Okay, so here for the eyebrow I'm using a red color. For both the eyebrows I'm using a red color. And then for the beak you should use orange color. And then a complete body of the bird we are going to use a which color? It's a yellow color, right? We are going to use a yellow color. A complete body of the bird is yellow color. Don't leave a white space. Try to complete and color it very neatly. Now for the eyes I'm using a black, and for the tail even I'm using black color. And for the hairs I'm doing a black color. And for the eyes outline I'm giving a black. Okay, yes, angry bird. The second topic we are doing is butterfly. This is for the month of September. See, I am drawing a oval, very thin and long. And butterfly's head, I am drawing two circles and one smiley face and a antenna. Okay, and now draw a tree and draw a tree again in a reverse. It means ulta, opposite side like a mirror. Okay, you can do a coloring very colorful, which color you like. Here I am using a butterfly color, it's in a red color. You can make it different color, you can make it multicolor, you can do with your favorite color. Okay, you can make it colorful and you can color it, but here I am using a red color. both the wings you can color in a red color. Okay, for the face also I'm using red color, but I'm coloring like very lightly. And then a body of the butterfly, I'm using which color? Yes, it's a brown color. You should color a brown color. And for the circles I'm using a green, light green color. Yes, butterfly is ready. The third topic is best out of waste. This is for the month of September. The material is required: a coconut shell, Fevicol, and a tape, scissor, and also a white paper. Make sure that these materials are ready with you, and then you can start the work. So here I am using a plain white paper. Using a coconut shell, you can keep it, reverse it, you just keep it like this, and then using a pencil slightly cross, you can make it like big circle. Not exact size, you will not draw, but you will draw like this. Okay, little big. Don't, it's not that it should look like very same size of circle. Just randomly we can draw a outline like this. Okay, see, you can see even my circle is not proper. Then after completing it, using a pencil, I draw a circle very neatly. Okay, then please take help of your elders or parents, sisters, and you should cut the circle. See, the circle is ready now. Yes, see, this much space is there, this much space is enough. And now using a glue, take a glue and apply in the border of the coconut shell. See, completely you should apply the glue completely. Don't pour more, required glue you should apply in the border of the coconut shell. How I am applying here, you should do it in the same way. And then take a circle. We should fix like this. So I'll keep the paper down and I'll reverse now. I'll just keep it properly in the center. Yes. And then we should cut like this. Slightly you should do cut. Just like this. Okay. Please take a help of your elders. Please, you are not supposed to use a sharp edges. Okay. I'll teach you another technique also without using a scissor. See, you can snap like paste like this to the coconut shell. If you are not using a scissor, you can tear little like this. How I teared now? You can use this method also. Without tearing also you can connect. See, slightly I teared and I pasted to the coconut shell. See, like that you can tear. Like that you should paste completely for all the corners. And reverse it and give one press for all the corners. It's a glue, right? It will take some seconds to dry. Once it dry, it will set properly. See, just press around in the corners like this. Just give some impression to all the corners. Then take a tape, sellotape, and then from one corner to, only for the corners you should do this. Where we started till the end of there, you can end it like this. Yes, you should do like this. Now, once it's ready, you can take any size of small circles, any geometrical shapes like a bangle or a water bottle cap. You can keep on that. It should be a small circle like this. Draw a circle and very lightly you should color. If you give more pressure, then it will go inside. A pencil will, if you give more pressure on the paper, it will give a hole there. So make sure that you are doing it very lightly. You can use a pencil or you can use a sketch pen. If you are telling, ma'am, I don't have sketch pen, then you can go with a pencil. Is it you find what is this we are doing? Yes, it's a tabla. So finally, it's look like this. You can make one more, you can keep it two. The first topic we learned is a bird, angry bird. Yes, we made it very colorful with the yellow color. The second thing, we did a butterfly. You can choose your own color you can make it very colorful also. And the third topic, we used a coconut shell and we created a tabla. You can do it one more and you can keep it two. Thank you.